Some take you know it's just way too long that I wish that I could write this song. So long that I wish that I could write this poem. In reality, I don't have nothing. I could go up off to think that I could be way too lost. I'm lost in my dreams. From what I've seen, everything is always bound to change. I'm not sure where I'll be like the end of 2020. Yeah, I wish that I could lay in the grave. 6 feet down, lost and found. Sometimes I don't really give a care if I'm around. At times I'm feeling way too bound and bury myself in the sound of my mind. Thoughts that wanna keep me down. No words, no love can keep me down. I can't feel the pain of what's not around. I don't feel like I need it now. I'm alright, okay with what it is. Drown, sunk and falling to the ground. No love, no cry, I'm already crowned. I still feel like I love you, I'm just lost. Lost and found, nothing found, I'm gone. I used to leap and fall. You would be my heart and cry. I don't feel the need at all to look for another strong independence from all the calls. My life is heavy, but I'm going on and moving. Keep no words, no love can keep me down. I can't feel the pain of what's not around. I don't feel like I need it now. Alright, okay with what is. Drown, sunk and falling to the ground. No love, no cry, I'm already crowned. Lost, and now I'm somewhat. Now it's been long enough for me to drop my guard and not feel. Sensation is why our words can carry and deliver. My thoughts and emotions felt max on 10. I was sunken in, fall like a buried treasure surfacing in this. At times I still feel way too lost. My thoughts still wanna keep me dry. I leave the surface, survive, searching to claim my life is heavy, but I keep moving. I'm going on and moving. Keep me from being. No words, no love can keep me down. I can't feel the pain of what's not around. I don't feel like I need it now. I'm alright, okay with what is. Drown, sun can fall into the ground. No love, no cry, I'm already crowned. Lost and found.